PTE Academic Speaking Retell Lecture. For this activity, you will listen to a lecture. Once it's finished, you'll have 10 seconds to summarize it in your own words. Then, you'll have 40 seconds to speak your response into the microphone. Today we embark on a journey back in time, revisiting one of the most significant and awe-inspiring achievements in human history, the first exploration of the Moon. The year was 1969, a time of intense space race competition between the United States and the Soviet Union, as both superpowers sought to assert their dominance in the cosmos. On July 20, 1969, the Apollo 11 mission, led by NASA and astronauts Neil Armstrong, Edwin "Buzz" Aldrin, and Michael Collins, reached its long-awaited climax. The world held its breath as the lunar module Eagle separated from the command module and began its descent towards the Moon's surface. The final minutes of the descent were fraught with tension and anticipation. Mission Control in Houston, Texas, monitored every detail as Armstrong and Aldrin skillfully navigated their way through a field of boulders on the surface below. As the Eagle's thrusters gently touched the ground, the immortal words of Neil Armstrong echoed across the globe: "That's one small step for a man, one giant leap for mankind." The moon landing was not only a triumph of engineering and science, but also a testament to human ingenuity and determination. It represented the culmination of years of research, development, and risky missions undertaken by the Apollo program. The vision set forth by President John F. Kennedy in 1961, to land a man on the Moon and return him safely to Earth before the end of the decade, had become a reality. The significance of this achievement extended far beyond the realm of space exploration. The successful moon landing united people across the world in shared wonder and excitement. It transcended political and cultural boundaries, serving as a symbol of human unity and the limitless potential of collaboration and peaceful endeavors. Furthermore, the first exploration of the Moon opened up new horizons for scientific discovery. The lunar samples collected during subsequent Apollo missions provided invaluable insights into the Moon's geology and history. Scientists continue to analyze these samples, deepening our understanding of the solar system's origins and evolution. Snake venom, while dangerous, also holds immense potential for the development of vital antidotes to counteract venomous snake bites, which pose a significant threat to human health and life, especially in regions where venomous snakes are prevalent. The process of venom collection is a delicate and highly specialized procedure that must be carried out by trained professionals, usually herpetologists or experienced snake handlers in controlled environments. The safety of both humans and the snakes themselves is of paramount importance throughout the process. To ensure safety during venom collection, several precautions are taken. First and foremost, the handlers must wear appropriate protective gear, including gloves, eye protection, and sometimes even full body coverings. This minimizes the risk of accidental snake bites and exposure to venom. The snakes used for venom collection are typically kept in captivity and well cared for by experienced handlers. Regular health checks are conducted to ensure the snakes are in good condition, and they are provided with suitable living environments that mimic their natural habitats as closely as possible. Additionally, venom extraction is carried out with great care and in limited quantities to avoid causing harm to the snake. Experienced handlers know how much venom can be safely extracted without jeopardizing the snake's well-being. Once the venom is collected, it undergoes a thorough process to develop antivenom. Antivenom is created by injecting small, gradually increasing doses of venom into animals, usually horses, to trigger the production of antibodies. These antibodies are then harvested from the animal's blood and purified to create the antivenom. Strict quality control measures are in place during this process to ensure the safety and effectiveness of the final product. Sample answers. Remember, there are other ways to respond to this task.
In 1969, NASA's Apollo 11 mission made history by landing the first humans on the moon. Astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin skillfully navigated their way, with Armstrong's famous words, "That's one small step for a man, one giant leap for mankind." This achievement united people globally and advanced scientific discovery through lunar samples, symbolizing human unity and collaboration. Snake venom has potential for antidotes against snake bites. The collection is done safely by trained handlers in controlled environments. Precautions include protective gear, and snakes are well cared for in captivity. Venom is extracted carefully, avoiding harm to the snakes. Antivenom development involves injecting venom into animals to produce antibodies. The antibodies are purified for the final product's safety and effectiveness.